Welcome to Shuffle Academy, and if you're watching this video, it's because you want to learn to dance like this. And today we're going to learn 3 different running mans. So we're going to start with the basic one, then we're going to add some different positions with heel and toe, and then we're going to do the third one diagonal. But before starting, we need some something like this. So now we add these 3 lines and we're going to learn the running man, the basic running man. We're going to start with right foot and we're going to put our knee up and then slide with the left one, and then we're going to put the right in front like this. And now what we have to do is the same initial position. This is 1, and then at 2 we have to open. Boom, we open. And then 1, the knee goes up, and then 2, we open. And this have to slide. Once again, we put the left up, and then we slide and we open. Up, we jump, up, open. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The running man is just the illusion that we are staying in the same place. So as you know, when we're walking, is the knee up and then we walk, the knee up and we walk. So then what we have to do is the same. We have the knee up, we're gonna open like we walk, and then with the left one we have to walk in front and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. What we need to do is do this step but with music, because for me those steps are not difficult, but it's difficult maybe the speed and with the music. So now what we're gonna do is practice together. Okay, now let's do 4 running mans with me. We're gonna start with the right one like this, and then we're gonna do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 like this. Once again, slowly with me. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. As you can see, we always do these different positions. We always are or open, or we're like in this position, or we open, or the knee goes up. We open, knee goes up. So once again, let's do 4 with me, easy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that will be our first 4 running mans doing these transitions, but now we have to do it a little bit faster. So once again with me, we're gonna go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, once we have this step and we practice, now is the training time. Let's practice from slow to fast and then with the speed of the music.
Make it mine, hold you close. Now my heart's wide open. When I'm with you, suddenly I feel no pain. Can you make it go away? Can you make it?
Alright, now that we finished practicing the first running man, let's go with the second running man, that it's gonna be with heel and toe. Heel, and toe, like this. It's the same mechanics, but we're gonna switch the technique, and instead of flat foot, we're gonna do it with heel and toe, and it's the same mechanics. As you can see, yeah, we're just putting the knee up and then we're doing just running man. So let's learn this variation. I think it's gonna be more easy than the other one. So we're gonna start like the same. We're gonna put the knee like this, and now what we have to do is jump and boom. As you can see, the technique is different. Now we're putting the heel, and here we're putting more the toe, and then and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So as you can see, it's like smaller. The running man doesn't have to be like that open, or like you don't have to put all your weight going up and down. The bounce is slower. You have more like micro bounce. So in this case, as you can see, it's the same. We're gonna open but jumping, and open and open and open. Let's do it together. We're gonna do 4 running mans. So just follow me. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you do it faster, this step, and with the music and with the beat, we only have to stomp the beat. So always think about stomping the beat. If you listen to music, boom, 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 and then you have to boom. You have to stomp the music. Yeah, and then you have to find your own flavor doing this step. So now let's go with the training time. Let's try to practice this step. You will see it's really easy. So now it's training time.
Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop. Stuck in a loop.
Perfect. Now that we practice these 2 running mans, let's go with the last running man. That is gonna be a diagonal running man, like this. So let's learn the diagonal running man. It's really easy. It's basically doing the same running man. We're gonna do the same running man like this, and now what we have to do is change the direction. Instead of doing it in this direction, we're gonna switch, and we're gonna do it in diagonal. So now what we're gonna do is put the knee up, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So as you can see, it's the same running man, but what we have to do now is just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. The same mechanics. Once again, follow me. We're gonna do and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Once again with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So important parts about this running man. We have to make sure that our direction of the hips is when we are doing the running man, then and when we're at the and is when we switch direction. 2 and 3 and 4. And now if we do it repetitive times, we'll have this step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will learn this third variation of the running man. So now let's do it last time with me, and then we're gonna do it with training time. With me, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, now that I explained this step, we're gonna go with the training time. So now, just follow me and we'll have this step really easy. Let's go. Alright people, hope you enjoyed this tutorial, hope you practice a lot and you learn new steps. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. Wait a second! Okay, I have something to tell you. So, as you know, Shuffle Academy is an online dance platform where you can subscribe, you can learn how to shuffle from basic to advanced. You have different courses. You can see here we have football library, you can see here we have basic course, we can see here we have freestyle. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, join us. If you like this video, just press the button like button, and if you want to comment whatever, if it's useful, you can also share with your friends to learn shuffling and go to the festivals dancing shuffling. This is gonna be the first video of a lot of videos that I'm gonna do in this channel. If you want to subscribe and follow me in this journey, that will be awesome. So yeah guys, see you in the next video.